The Volt Premium Solar Spotlight delivers powerful, solar-powered illumination with a detachable panel for optimal sun exposure and flexible installation. With 3 adjustable brightness levels, it produces up to 235 lumens of warm, 2700 Kelvin light with a high CRI of 90 plus, ensuring vibrant, natural illumination for landscapes, gardens, and pathways. Unlike competitors that dim quickly, this spotlight maintains peak brightness for over 4 hours on low mode before gradually dimming. The 10-foot lead wire allows you to position your solar panel for maximum sunlight absorption, fully charging in just 5.5 hours of direct sunlight. This IP65 rated fixture is designed for durability in all weather conditions. It includes both a 9-inch ground stake and a surface mount for versatile installation. Backed by a lifetime warranty on the fixture and a 2-year warranty on the solar panel, the Volt Premium Solar Spotlight is a reliable and efficient outdoor lighting solution.